The Legend of Onion by Rainiel and Julia.
Once upon a time, around 1890, in Quezon Province, there was a poor man named Seb Buyas. Seb was born with full of physical defects, a hunchback with psoriasis, a skin disorder. Everyone condemned and outcasted him.
Why don't everyone do like or love me? What's wrong with me? Seb experienced so much discrimination and no one gave him comfort since his parents passed away when he was only 3 years old.
His grandmother took care of him, but due to old age also left him. There was no day Seb was not crying. Crying became part of his life.
One day, Seb was planting on his backyard when a group of teenagers from his neighborhood started teasing him, bullying, and throwing stones to Seb. Ouch! What's wrong with you guys? What's your problem?
Bullying Seb. Blah blah. You deserve it because you are so ugly. We don't need an ugly neighbor here. Ha ha ha.
Stop it! I promise one day you will cry for me. Every time you cut my body into pieces, you feel all the pain and sorrow experience. Tears will fall into your eyes uncontrollably.
For the past few days, Seb could no longer be found by his neighbors, and they all wonder why the backyard of Seb were full of plants with unknown vegetables. One neighbor tried to pick a piece of vegetables and cut it down, but upon doing so his tears fell uncontrollably without him knowing, and they recalled what Seb said the last time before he was gone.
That is why the people in the province of Quezon named the vegetable as Sibuyas in memory of Seb Buyas, their lost neighbor.